Week 15, Writing. The following slide will contain a writing prompt. After reading the prompt, you must solve it and respond with a written mathematical explanation of how you solved the problem using at least 2 vocabulary words. The library's internet connection can transfer 1,584 megabytes of data in 36 seconds. How much data can it transfer in only 1 second? So if it can transfer that in 36 seconds, we just need 1 second. So we're going to divide these. Let's divide them. All right, so 1,584, I am going to highlight this and I'll make it a little bit bigger. And we're going to divide that by 36. So there's our important numbers there. All right, so in our dividend, we're going to have 1,584. And in our divisor on the outside of our house, we're going to have 36. 36. All right, so can 36 go into 1? No. Can 36 go into 15? No. How about 36 into 158? Yes, I know it can go into 158. Now, the deal is how many times? Well, I know 36 times 2 is going to be 72, so that's too low. We can do some more. So I know that 36 times 4 is going to be 144. So 36 times 4 I know is 144. So I'm going to put 144 here. And now I'm going to subtract. All right, so 8 minus 4 is going to be 4. 5 minus 4 equals 1. And 1 minus 1 is 0. Now we're going to bring down that 4 because we did not use that yet. And now we have 144. So how many times can 36 go into 144? Oh, up here we already said it. It can go in 4 times. So I'm going to put that 4 up here. 36 times 4 is 144. I'm going to put, not 122, 144. There we go. And when I subtract 144 minus 144, that equals 0. All right, there's nothing else to bring down and there's no remainders. So we're now going to write about it. So first, as always, we have to rewrite that problem. So rewrite the problem with 1,584 as your dividend and 36 as your divisor. And ask yourself, how many times does 36 go into 158? All right, not yourself, to yourself. There we go. All right, then multiply 36 and 4 to get 144. So we figured out it went in 4 times. So 36 times 4 is 144. Then you will get, or you will find, the difference between 158 and 144, which is 14. All right, let's get that a little bit. There we go. And I know that word difference is a vocab word, so I'm going to highlight that. I'll do it in blue. All right, next, bring down, can't type. Bring down the next digits, which is 4, and ask yourself, how many times does 36 go into 144? Now we multiply. So now we multiply 36 and 4 to get a product of 144 and then subtracts 144 from 144 to get 0. I also know that that word product is a vocab word, so I'm going to highlight that. I'll do it in orange maybe, yeah. All right, after we repeat this process. Whoa, there we go. We repeat this process until there are no other digits left to bring down. Checking along the way. In our case here, we didn't have any more to bring down, so we're down to our last step. So finally, once you have no other digits to bring down with no remainders, you will get a value of 44, which represents how much data can be transferred in 1 second. Awesome. So I know that that word value is a vocab word as well. I'm going to highlight that. We'll do pink. All right, so first we rewrite the problem with 1,584 as your dividend and 36 as your divisor. And ask yourself, how many times does 36 go into 158? Then multiply 36 and 4 to get 144. Then you will find the difference between 158 and 144, which is 14. Next, bring down the next digit, which is 4, and ask yourself, how many times can 36 go into 144? Now we multiply that 36 and 4 to get a product of 144, and then subtract 144 from 144 to get 0. After, repeat this process until there are no other digits left to bring down, checking along the way, of course. Finally, once you have no other digits to bring down with no remainders, you will get a value of 44, which represents how much data can be transferred in 1 second. And that's it for our vocab, or our writing. Great job!